Hey Charmer, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you my everyday makeup. This look requires no foundation. I don't wear foundation on an everyday basis, so this is perfect for those who just want a fast and easy makeup without all the fuss. Before we dive into the tutorial, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will get notified when I upload new videos. To start off, I'm going to prep my skin, making sure it's clean and moisturized, and of course, not forgetting to put on a sunscreen. Just because it's gloomy outside doesn't mean we don't need to apply our sunscreen. All the products I will be using in this tutorial you can find on the description box below, so check that out. Once all of my skincare products have been absorbed by my skin, which for me is like 15 to 30 minutes, using my fingers, I'm going to apply the cream blush to spread the color on my cheeks and use a makeup sponge to blend the color and apply it on my cheekbones to give me that lifted look. Next, to set it and mattify my face, I'm going to use a pressed powder. This powder has a bit of coverage, which works for me. Unfortunately, I got it in the wrong shade. So I'm going to look a bit tan, but that's okay. We'll make it work. Face is set. Now onto the eyes. I like doing a winged eyeliner for my everyday makeup. I always go for that look, but if you don't want to, that is fine. You can just tightline your upper lash line. Once that is done, we can now proceed with our under eyes. For concealer, I'm going to use a powder concealer because it's much easier to work with compared to the liquid formulas. A bit of caution though, if you're going to use this type of concealer, make sure that your under eyes are well moisturized because it can be a bit drying. This is a full coverage powder concealer. I love it, but it can be a bit drying, so proceed with caution. For brows, I'm going to fill in the sparse areas using a micro brow pencil and then topping it off with an eyebrow gel. You can skip this part if you feel like you don't need to do this, but for me, I don't have a prominent nose. So to give me the illusion of a higher nose bridge, I am just going to lightly contour the side of my nose. I'm also going to apply a bit of highlighter to the high points of my cheeks and inner corners of my eyes to brighten up my eye area and make it look more youthful. Going back to the eyes, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a volumizing mascara, making my lashes look more feminine and flirty. I then proceed with tight lining my upper water lash line to give that fuller lash effect. For the final touch, I'm going to apply a color-changing lip balm. This balm reacts to the pH of your skin, so it turns pink after a few seconds. You can apply it lightly or build it up for a more bold lip look. And that's it. This is the final look. What do you think? If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, all of the products I use in this tutorial you can find on the description box below. I appreciate it if you leave a comment. I want to know your thoughts about this look. Was it easy? Was it hard? Did you find it entertaining? Is it suitable for you? Let me know. And also, if you have any request for a look, I'd be happy to hear about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.